Hello everybody. Well, here's another equation that we're going to try to solve here and figure out what x equals to. Now again, we've got an unknown on each side. We have x's over here and x's over here. Now I guess there are two ways you could look at solving it, but it doesn't matter which way you try to solve it as long as you get all the x's in one spot. So that's what we'll try to do. So if we have 23 minus 2x is equal to x plus 11. What I might try to do is to minus x from both sides. Now if I minus x from both sides, and I've done the same thing there on the left side as I have on the right side. Now x, take away x, will cancel out and just leave the 11 on the right hand side, and minus 2x's, take away another x, will be minus 3x's. Okay, well my next step, let me put minus 3x plus 23. So I've rearranged it so that that goes in front and that goes behind. Now what I'll do is I'll minus 23 from each side to keep the equation balanced. So plus 23 minus 23, they're opposites and will cancel out. And minus 3x, well, that'll just stay, that's all that's left over. After that has cancelled out that. And 11 take away 23 is minus 12. Now, between the minus 3 and the x is a times. And if I divide by minus 3 on both sides, times by minus 3, divide by minus 3, they're opposites and will cancel out and we'll just leave the x. Now minus divided by minus is a plus. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so x should be equal to 4. Now I said there were two ways you could go about solving this. Let's try the other way. So if we had the same thing, 23 minus 2x is equal to x plus 11. Now what we could do is plus 2x from both sides. If we plus 2x on both sides, let's see what happens. Now I've done the same thing on both sides of plus 2x. Now minus 2x plus 2x, they cancel out and leave 23 on the left hand side. Now x plus 2x is 3x. Alrighty, now let's see what we should do here. Now maybe I'll write this around like this because I have a little bit more experience when it's doing this type of thing, so it makes it look a little bit easier. Now what I'll do is I'll minus 11 from both sides. And if I minus 11 from both sides, plus 11 minus 11, they're opposites and will cancel out and we'll just leave the 3x. And 23 minus 11 is 12. Okay, now between the 3 and the x is a times. Now the opposite of a times is a divide. So if I divide both sides by 3, the times by 3 and the divide by 3 will cancel out and x is left over. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you can see, no matter which way we've done it, we get 4 as the answer. So I think that must be the solution. Alrighty, if you have any more questions, I'll see you in class.